Well, basically, shall we say, we tempered or moderated our enthusiasm to go about quote unquote innovating.
Yeah.
Because we ask the classic question we are taught as all Indians, isme kya fayda hai? So it's not like we're innovating for the sake of innovating,
Yeah.
but it has to make tangible sense in real-time results. I always try to provide the analogy of aircrafts purchased by airlines these days, because an aircraft only makes money for the airline when it's up in the air.
Yes.
In the same way, how do we continue to make systems which require minimal maintenance, even preventive maintenance, but keep on, take a licking and keep on ticking, quite to say, so that's, yeah. So that is and we've been very fortunate because we have all the global brands available here.
Yeah.
So when we talk about our Made in India vision, thanks to our DNA, we've always been a Made in India company. We design everything with a clean sheet of paper.
Right.
But, we don't see Made in India in a very narrow sense. We've developed a great number of partnerships around the world with smaller entities, but they have profound experience and knowledge in the area they're experiencing. And we're trying to bring that into all our manufacture so that our clients in India get arguably the best solution and the best of both worlds.